Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable chat backups in Signal Messenger. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Signal app on your phone. After you do so, what I need you to do is click on your profile. You can see your profile on the top left hand corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on your profile and go to chats. After you go to chats, you can see at the end is backups. Right now the chat backups is currently disabled. If you want to enable it, you can do it with a single tap of your button. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see that backups are encrypted with a passphrase stored on your device. So if you want to turn on the backup, you can just go ahead and tap on turn on, click choose folder, and you can create a folder for yourself. So if you have not created a folder, just go ahead and tap on create folder and click on something like backup or write something and click OK. Click on use this folder and click allow. After you do this, you can see that you can click on it and you can screenshot this paraphrase. After you do so, you can just go ahead and click on enable backups. Now you can see the backup has been enabled. The backup is now backed up and you can see that it has been done. You can see the backup folder, the time of the backup, and you can see the backup paraphrase. So you can turn it off as well, and you can see the delete backup option is there. So I hope this video about how you can enable the chat backups in Signal Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.